Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have ever struggled with copying data from PDF, bank statements or financial documents into Excel, today's video is going to make your life a whole lot easier. So in this tutorial, we will be taking a look at DocuClipper, which is a powerful and easy to use tool that actually helps you convert your PDFs like your bank statements, your invoices and reports into clean Excel spreadsheets in seconds. It uses the OCR data extraction and formatting logic to save hours of manual data entry. It is perfect for bookkeepers, accountants, small businesses, and freelancers. So we will walk you through how you can start using it. We will also just exploring its features, finish with a quick review or whether it is worth it or not in 2025. So if you want to try it out for yourself, I will put the affiliate link of it down in the description so you can check that out as well. If you use that link, you are going to get a 14-day free trial if you sign up over here. So first of all, you can either click on the link that is given in the description, or you can open your web browser and search for DocuClipper.com. Now once you are on this page, you will be able to see the features that it provides. So before creating your account here, you need to first of all understand what is DocuClipper and how you can use it. So DocuClipper is an online PDF to Excel converter, but it is more advanced than any other basic converters. It actually built specially for the bank statements, financial reports, credit card summaries, invoices, and even utility bills. This particular tool cleans up the formatting, captures your table, ensures the number land in the right columns, which is a huge time saver for anyone who is doing bookkeeping or any kind of reconciliation. So it is used by the accountants and CPAs, bookkeepers, business owners, and financial analysts. So here the account creation is quite easy. You will have to click on the sign up option, provide your email address and your password, and you will be able to create your account here. Now as soon as you create your account, your 14-day free trial will be activated. Afterwards, you will have to select any of the paid plans over here, and this is how you can basically keep on start using it. So once you are over here, you will see the dashboards that will look something like this. In the left hand section, you will see a bunch of different options like all projects. So if you click on the all projects, you will have to describe what best describes your role, then select the size of your team and press continue. After that, you will have to provide some of the details here and then click on the continue option. Basically, you need to fill out these details based on the business that you do and how do you want to use it. So after providing these details, just like I'm doing it over here, you need to complete your setup, and now your dashboard will look something like this. Here you will see the default folder option, but you can also add a folder. This is basically the demo folder that it has shown you. So if you fill out the details like the bank statements here, it should look something like this. So if you want to click on the view option, you will see all of the information that you have entered over here, and you can also filter it out with the help of the page number, description, amount, date, balance, etc. If we just go back on this page, if we click on the all projects option, so here if you want to create your own project, simply click on the add project and provide your project a name, then click on the create option over here. So this is your second project that you have created successfully. Now if you want to convert this document, you can click on the convert document, and from the given options you can select the invoices, forms, bank transactions, or the bank statements. Let's say you want to create the invoice over here. So after clicking on the invoice, you will have to upload the invoice receipts. So click on the add invoices and the receipts option and upload the PDFs from your desktop or your drive. After uploading it, you will have to click on the import option here in the bottom, and this way you can basically create your project and add your information here. So once you selected the file type like DocuClipper, start scanning your OCR, and you will see the extracted data preview in the form of a table that will be clean and readable. If you need to adjust it, you can definitely do so. If I just go back on the home page and try to show you, so you will have to click on the view forms or the view invoices option, and here you can basically rename the headers, delete any unwanted rows, and click on the export option. If you select the this type of data, if you want to download the invoices, you can also do that by clicking on this download option. If we talk about further features of this particular platform, so the most powerful feature is the bank statement conversions. DocuClipper actually extract the date, the description, amount, and the balance, and it also supports multiple formats like PDF scans, native PDFs, US and international bank layouts, and yes, it can actually handle multi-page statements with repeating headers and footers. Even if your document is scanned or it is non-editable, DocuClipper actually uses the optical character recognition to detect the text and the numbers. It actually works with the older scans, handwritten headers, and blurry lines. That is pretty impressive for any financial document. If you just go to the settings, you will see your general settings like the profile information, billing details, and if you click on the users option, if you want to add more people into this dashboard, you can provide their first name, last name, email address, and you can basically invite them. You will see the teams option where you can manage your team, you can create your team, and you can provide the roles to your team here as well. You will see the referrals option. If you want to refer anyone and want to earn commissions, this will be your referral link. So here again, if I talk about the plan, if I click on this particular select plans option, you will see the starter plan is going to cost you $27 per month. The professional one is going to cost you $51 per month. The most popular according to them is this, that is going to cost you $101 per month. And if you are an enterprise, you can also go with the enterprise plan. So this is pay as you go service. It is occasion if you like the pay as you go services, if this things is for you, you will get the monthly plan for regular users, and the features associated with those plans are also mentioned over here. So this is how you can start using DocuClipper in 2025. In my opinion, it is quite fast, accurate, and seriously helpful if you deal with the PDFs often. So if you are tired of the manual data entry or any messy exports, this could be the game changer for your workflow. So give this video a like and subscribe for more practical tools review. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.